Alright guys, it's Client Edit here. Welcome back to the channel. By the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide a text behind an object and also how to hide images like this behind an object. So yeah, as a plus, I'm going to be showing you how I also did this crazy logo review, but you'd obviously have to stay tuned and watch until the end. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so yeah, when you open CapCut, I've already picked an example that we're going to be using. We're going to be using this as
Why
an
did you
example,
start the brand
and
Fly
we want to
Fashion?
add
Yeah, I started the
this is a
brand Fly
brand,
Fashion just because
this
I
is a
love
podcast for a
fashion,
brand,
the
so
sense
or
of
show for
fashion.
a brand. So we want to add a text behind this video. So how do we go about it? First thing to do is to click on add text, and once you click on add text, okay, so I'm going to write the name of the brand right here, Fly Fashion. I'm just going to write the name of the brand. All right, so as you can see, the name of the brand is perfectly added. You go to fonts, and then I already picked this font already, but you can go to fonts and pick whatever font that suits you. But I already have the font in mind, so this is the font I'm going to go for. And then the next thing you want to go is to go to animations right here, because we want there to be a kind of an eye-catching opening to the whole thing. So you go to animations right here. All right, I wanted to talk about this. This is a trick people don't know. Instead of elongating your time and wasting time on, longing the text to the end of the video, you can just click here and click on lasting text, and it will automatically show, throughout the whole video process. So yeah, back to the video, we'll click on animation, and then once we enter animation, we click on in, and then we go down and look for something, an opening that is suitable, something that suits you, something that you want. So I'm going to go with Wobble. I'm going to go with this.
What?
All right, this is perfect for me actually. I'm going to go with this. I'm going to increase it a little bit.
Why did you start the brand Fly?
I think this is good. You can have different animations to pick from. If you're using the Pro, feature, you can have different animations to pick from, which is also very, very cool. I would love there to be a continue movement in the text. So I'll go to loop, and then I'll pick, I'll look for one of this. All right, so when I'm in loop, I'll pick this. I'll pick Wobble 3. So as you can see here,
yeah, I started the brand Fly Fashion.
It's going to have this continued movement. That is what loop is for
the brand
in text animations. All right, so the next thing to do is to click on this particular video and click on duplicate. You click on duplicate right here, and then you click on overlay. So once you click on overlay, you bring it down straight up right here. You take it down, and then you click on remove background. So once you click on remove background, you see auto remover, custom remover, custom removers. Now the difference between auto removers will just remove what, it's an AI effect to remove was like most, especially if you're using something like if you have like a person in the image. Do you understand? You can use auto removers, but if you want to like remove, let's say, an object, or you want to like make an object stand out or like pick out a particular object, I would advise for custom remover. But right now I want to remove two people, so we can just use auto removal, and then you click on auto removal, and yeah, as you can see, the background is removed. It's showing background removed. To confirm, we can just click on custom remover, and you can see this red stuff all over here. It means the background is already removed. So next thing you want to do is to click on the video and then go to layers right here. So you click on layers right here, and then as you can see, then you switch it backwards. Voila, you have the text behind the video, as you can see right here. Okay, so this is perfect. Let's check it out.
Why did you start the brand Fly Fashion?
Yeah, I started the brand Fly Fashion just because I love
obviously
fashion.
This is what we want.
The sense of fashion.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is adding images, to this video. So you click on overlay, and you click on add overlay right here. And this is an image that I picked up from, I created with an AI effect. So I'm just going to, as you can see, initially the image is already behind this text. Now, if I want the image to be probably be in front, I can just click on layer. As you can see, we have different layers to it. I can just go right here. As you can see, the image is back in front, but I don't want it in front. I want it behind. So I will take it back behind. As you can see right here, you have the image behind, which is a very nice thing. So the next thing I would like to do, we're trying to like say, okay, put a little bit of movement to it, because we don't want it to just be stagnant and all that. So we'll just take it to drop the whole video right here, and I'll just decrease it right here, move it upwards a little bit, and all right. So yeah, I'll click on animations, and this is beautiful because you have different type of animations to pick from, but I have this animation in mind where I want everything to like scatter and come back all together. So I'm just going to go back down, and I'm going to click on unshattered right here. As you can see, it's a kind of a beautiful animation that I love a lot, but if you're not using the pro effects, you'll be able to use all this. So yeah, you click on unshattered right here. As you can see, it has this beautiful animation to it at the beginning, and then we can just increase it a little bit right here. And then voila, we have something like this.
Fashion, wearing something exclusive.
Which is actually very, very nice. So yes, that is how to, add text and images to your videos. You can play around with it. You can, do different things. You might not use people, you might use maybe buildings or stuff like that. If you want to learn deeply more about these stuffs, you can obviously join my pro class. And as I promised about the video, I promised about the logo review, I'll be dropping the link in the description. It's already in the description, so you can obviously check out the rest of the video. And please don't forget to like, share, comment to see more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Why did you start the brand Fly Fashion?
Yeah, I started the brand Fly Fashion just because I love fashion, the sense of fashion, wearing something exclusive, wearing something that is made for me.